Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you this tutorial today. It is going to be all about the new Becca Be a Light palette. This full face palette has 4 shades, a blurring powder, a brightening powder, a contour, and a blush. I'm going to start out with using the BareMinerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer because it has SPF 30 in it, and I am going on the boat today and then going straight to dinner. On top of that, I'm going to use the blurring powder. All of this has light diffusing technology, which is going to give you that faux finish, and it's going to just make your natural skin look flawless. And you just want to buff this on like you would any other powder foundation. And this is more of a light to medium coverage. It's not going to be that heavy coverage you get from a liquid foundation, but this is a great summer palette for that nice, light, airy skin. It's really great for what I'm doing today, going on the boat and then going straight to dinner. I don't like to look like a hot mess, but I also hate wearing a full coverage makeup when I'm in the hot sun. And as you can see, it does give you a nice tint of color. I only did half of my face so you can see the difference. Another thing I like about this palette is you can wear foundation under it, so if you really want that full coverage look, you could just powder this on top. Okay, for my under eyes, I'm going to use the Tarte Pearl Under Eye Treatment. Again, this is going to be nice and light and bring that glowy look under my eyes that we're going for. And on top of that, I'm going to set it with a brightening powder. This has a soft pearl luminosity to it that's going to brighten anywhere you put it. So I'm just going to add it to the spots I normally add my setting powder to. Next is contour, and I have to say I really love the shade that they have in this palette. It's not too dark and not too light, and it's perfect to do contour and bronzing. Then blush, and this blush is so pretty. It is marbled with this kind of pearl color in it, so you get a really nice glow. And I actually went in with a fan brush and kind of just picked up those pearl tones and used it as my highlighter. Popped on some eyebrows. Then I'm just going to go back in with that brightening powder and put that under my brow bones. Use that contour color and sweep it into the crease for some dimension. Then I'm going to grab my Laura Mercier Caviar Stick eyeshadow in the color Rose Gold and use that on my lid. I received both the palette and this eyeshadow from Influencer Complimentary, and I have to say they are the perfect pair together. I'm just going to glide this creamy shimmery shade on my eyelid and then kind of blend it out by tapping it with my fingertips. Then I buff that contour color onto my lower lash line. Then the blush color for a pop in the corner of my eye. Curl those lashes. And for a day on the boat, waterproof mascara is a must. Today I'm using Tarte Lights Camera Splashes. For lip, I'm using Benefit's Punch Pop in Sugar Cookie. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. The perfect amount of naturally glowy skin you want for a day at the water. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.